artist with some donation. But if you don't have cash, if you can't afford it, please no worry. Stay here, relax, enjoy the show until the end. If you like it, come forward, shake my hand, and say thank you, and that's all. I'm not pushing you to give me money. Just support street artists if you think they worth it. Is that sound fair?
Yeah.
我成日講都話夠啦。一定係冇呢聲攞出嚟。如果你哋睇得開心，你哋中意嘅話，可以打出。
Shorty po, katabi po merienda. Yan dyan, Shorty.
呢個俾你哋選出嚟。啊，係咁多。One last question, ladies and gentlemen, I'm ready for the show. Are you ready?
Yeah, lala, sandali na po siya, Shorty. Lala, sandali, Shorty.
Thank you. I prepared a very special song for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you so much, Lala Zeppelin, for coming. Thank you so much. Oh, Lala Zeppelin, may ano ka, kapulo, may isinama ka, oh. J-Mix Vlog! Thank you so much for coming, idol. J-Mix Vlog! Ano meron, host? Hindi ko alam na naglalakad lang ako. Merong show dito. Naisipan ko mag-live. O, yan. Tumalon na siya, idol. J-Mix Vlog. Yan o, magic na daw yan. Magic. Wow, ang galing! Wow, ang galing! Ang galing niya! Lumalutang! Yan ang galing niya! You see? Yan, ang galing! Roger Pete Hunting, thank you so much for coming! Idol J-Mix Vlog, nag-aanang ko lang siya. Naisipan ko mag-live. Galing niya, lumsalutang! Idol J-Mix Vlog, lumsalutang siya. Ang galing! Roger Pete Hunting! Wow, ang galing! Wala, yan na! Kala ko papanggain ako! Ang galing, no? Saan ka nakakita ng ganyan, no? Mabigat na ano yan, no? Hollywood! Wow! Galing! Ang galing! Lala, Sibili, ang galing! Napahinto lang ako kasi may show dito. Nag-magic kanina. Alam niyo ba yung magic niya, yung rosary? Naging crystal. O, diba ang galing? O, magic. Boom. O, hindi niya hinawakan yung holy hope, o. Galing. Wow, galing, oh. May passion show tayo, guys. Oh, lumulutang siya, oh. Galing. Oh, diba? 26, good evening, watching from Japan. Yeah, you watch the magic show. Bang galing? Oh. Roger Fish Hunting, Pakira, thank you so much for coming, Pakira. Winya Bangjol, hi, hello. Wow, ang galing, oh. Papuchana in Japan. Wow, amazing, fantastic. Roger Fish Hunting.